Hey, this is Cliff with the Oldfather Group at Compass Real Estate. Today we're at the Brandywine House in Bethany Beach, Delaware. Let's take a look. This condo has a ton of new upgrades, including new countertops in the kitchen, new appliances, and new hardwood in the living room and throughout. So this 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo boasts a ton of amenities and sleeps 6 comfortably, all while overlooking the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. So in the owner's suite, we've got a double closet, we've got an ensuite half bath, access to the full bath, and a western-facing window for all those summer sunsets. For more information on this home and other homes like it in the area, visit our website at theoldfathergroup.com or email me directly, cliff@theoldfathergroup.com.